Hello and welcome to this video on how to build self-confidence. Self-confidence is an essential trait that can make a significant impact on your personal and professional life. In this video, we'll cover some tips and tricks to help you build your self-confidence, so let's get started. Tip number 1. Identify your strengths. Everyone has something that they are good at. Identify your strengths and focus on them. By recognizing your abilities, you can gain more confidence in you. Tip number 2. Improve your weaknesses. Along with identifying your strengths, it's important to recognize your weaknesses. Once you have identified them, work on improving them. By doing so, you will feel more capable and confident in handling challenging situations. Tip number 3. Practice positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself can significantly impact your confidence level. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations, and you'll be amazed at how much your confidence level improves. Tip number 4. Set achievable goals. Setting goals can help you feel more confident by giving you something to work towards. Make sure the goals you set are achievable, and you'll be more likely to accomplish them, which will boost your self-confidence. Tip number 5. Take care of yourself. When you take care of your physical and mental health, you feel better about yourself. Exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, get enough sleep, and practice mindfulness techniques like meditation to improve your mental health. Tip number 6. Learn something new. Learning a new skill or taking on a new challenge can be intimidating, but it can also be a great confidence booster. By pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, you'll gain more self-confidence and realize that you are capable of more than you thought. Tip number 7. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your confidence level. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Building self-confidence takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these tips, you'll start to see improvements in your self-confidence, which can lead to more success and happiness in your life. Remember to believe in yourself and your abilities, and you'll be unstoppable. Thanks for watching.